If you're looking for a quick and easy appetizer, then you have to make these lobster fried ravioli. Y'all, these were so good and it's only a few ingredients. I started by adding my flour, breadcrumbs, and eggs to my bowls. Next, I took my ravioli and coated it in the flour, and then I dipped it in the eggs, followed by the breadcrumbs. And once I was done, this is how it looked. I then put them in the freezer for about 20 minutes while my oil was getting nice and hot. And once my ravioli was nice and firm, I cooked them until they were golden brown and crispy on each side. I sprinkled on some Parmesan cheese, a little bit of fresh parsley, and then some grated Parmesan cheese. I served them with a creamy tomato ricotta sauce, and oh my God, y'all, these were so good. I literally wanted to cry every time I took a bite. And shout out to my best friend because I got this idea from her.